All right, Facebook family. So today is Thursday, and we are here at Fox13, and the star of the show, who's about to go on television right now, is Mildred. So Mildred is our pet of the week, or pet of the day, I should say, who we're looking to find a home. And Mildred has a very special story. We're going to need to find some Utah dog-loving, big-hearted, open to a new pet family. Mildred is the Cocker Spaniel mix. She's a shelter transfer from Maricopa County down in Arizona. And she's 10 years old, but she's also blind and deaf. And so, unfortunately, she needs most likely a family or a dog owner who's already very comfortable and knowledgeable with dogs versus maybe someone who's getting their very first dog, because she's going to need some very special attention. Because she's blind, she needs, the way she's approached needs to be also something that you would normally not have to worry about. So, for instance, because she can't see or hear, one of the best ways to approach Mildred is kind of putting your hand in front of her nose so she smells you're there, and then start petting her, versus just diving in to pet her because she can't sense that you're coming in for a pet and it scares her. So because she's blind and deaf, she definitely has some special needs, and she's going to need a very special family. Also, Mildred here loves the big beds, and the reason why is because once she gets down on her bed, she kind of feels it's her safe zone, and she starts rolling around. And even though she's a small dog, if she has a small bed, she will roll off the bed just because she's blind and deaf and can't see the edge of the bed. So Mildred here needs a big bed as well. So definitely a family who's got a big heart, because Mildred here, being blind and deaf, is going to need a lot of special attention and special care. And so, again, if you know anybody who you think Mildred might be a good fit for, then that would be great. Definitely contact us over at the Utah Humane Society. We'd love to get her adopted and find, a wonderful home and some wonderful owners. So on that note, thanks for watching, Jennifer and Matt. I appreciate you too. Thank you guys. And I hope you all have a spectacular rest of the day.